And we're wrapping our minds around the number of tornadoes that broke out yesterday. Of course, it strikes me 2 days past the 49th anniversary of April 3rd, 74, and Meade County was hit then. Many parts of Louisville back then.
April, May is the peak of severe weather season. Of course, 3 tornadoes reported in Louisville yesterday, 4 over the last 5 days, which I don't think has happened since about 12 years ago in 2011. So a very Memorial Day that we had yesterday. Thankfully, what you're about to behold in this 7-day forecast is perhaps the only 7-day forecast that has no rain in it that we've had so far this year. So perhaps the first all dry 7 days so far in 2023. And I definitely think we have paid the price and deserve some dry, nice, quiet weather. And still some clouds out there. It is still a little bit gloomy, and it's more than 30 degrees colder out there today than yesterday's high of 85 degrees. Definitely some sweatshirt jacket weather going on across the area. Long dry stretch is on the way through next week, and a gradual warming trend as well. Back around 60 tomorrow. We're only in the low 50s right now, and then heading into the 60s for our Easter weekend, and 70s next week, and perhaps back to 80 next Wednesday, Thursday. Lower 50s out there now. North wind at around 5, humidity 47%. Our temps mixed in the 40s and lower 50s. We still have some light rain south, and that's where it's coolest. 43 in Hodgenville. Munfordville, you've got 44. Where it is dry, it's a little bit warmer. Scottsburg checking in at 54. There is that green on the screen here, and that is traveling basically right along the Western Kentucky and Bluegrass Parkway, either side of it, and then all dry over southern Indiana and metro Louisville right now, and just very light stuff and kind of sprinkly, and this will continue to fade away hour by hour as we head through the evening time. As we switch it over to Futurecast, there you can see that light rain continuing to sink off to the south and to the east. Our temperatures will be in the 40s in most spots for this evening, and low temperatures drop down to the upper 30s and lower 40s, so a chilly start to our Friday. Notice a very slow clearing trend overnight, but overall to be partly to mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, some high clouds will stream over the area, so filtered sunshine. That's 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, upper 50s to around 60 degrees, which is a little bit below normal for this time of the year. Into Saturday, still a mix of clouds, a little bit of sunshine across the area. Temperatures in the mid 60s, and then we head into the upper 60s for our Easter Sunday. Now, this is a look at the total amount of rainfall now all the way through next Thursday, April 13th. And notice it is all dry here over the Ohio River Valley in Kentuckiana, with heavy rain setting up over the deep south. So again, that is what the doctor ordered for our area, with a lot of cleanup that we still have to do. So this is our low temperatures for tonight. Hometown temps drop down to the upper 30s to the lower 40s in most spots, perhaps mid 40s off to the south around the Cumberland Parkway there in Columbia at 45. Tomorrow, high temps in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees and a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Average high this time of the year is 66 degrees. So again, a little bit below normal tomorrow, that high of 60. Starting to see more sunshine as we head through the weekend. 64 on Saturday. No weather worries whatsoever for quite some time. Sunny Sunday with that high of 68 degrees, and then starting to head back into the 70s early next week. 72 on Monday, 74 on Tuesday, and the climb continues as we'll try to hit 80 degrees again by next Thursday. But again, can't remember last time we've had a 7-day with no rainfall.